mga dads, mga dako. Whoever new into my channel, hit the like button and the bell button and subscribe to my channel. If you're new into my channel, I am still a baby. I mean a baby channel, Dako Oats. So whoever new into my channel, be friends with me and I'll be friends with you too. Well, keep safe, stay home if needed. Ayan mga dads, yun lang.
Okay, y'all, Ling Ling is scared. I was trying to explain to her that once the lightning goes off, you count slow, 1, 2, 3, and when you hear the boom, that's how many miles it's away.
Hello, mga dags. I'm so scared and it's boom. It's so loud and it's super rain outside.
Okay, it's over. Sorry, my hair is perfect.
No, you're still handsome.
Yeah. Anyways, Ling Ling's scared, so I'm having to hold her until the lightning storm's over. She thinks lightning's going to come through the window into the room and hit us while we're laying in bed. Yeah, that was pretty close, that one.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Y'all pray for
watching.
me. I can get her off of me.